All right, boom. You need to get you one of these right here. These are gonna get messed up today. Nah, these are the Nipex shears, cable shears. So made a super clean cut on the hose because I'm gonna mount the cooler in the same spot. If you don't know, this is a 4L80 derail transcooler kit. This one's a little longer, so what I'm gonna do, you can see right here, it's a little taller than the factory one. That's fine. I'm actually going to leave the bottom mount here alone. I'm going to shorten this one. So probably cut like about 1.5 inches off of this. So I slide it up so this guy can fit. But I'll show you what I got going on and how to make the A-in fitting. I'm just having a lift. All right, we got that one already installed. That's the front one. And we got the back one. So I already measured it where roughly I'm gonna put it. So this guy right here, I'll show you. It's on MotionRaceWorks YouTube too, so you can go see them how they do it. We'll probably make a better, or if not, same quality video. Now theirs is probably better. Focus! Oh my goodness, I need that S22. So this fitting's already done, already crimped. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to get it and do it from step one. So you can see there it is. This one's already done and done. I put a mark right here. I'll show you what that signifies later, but let's go put this thing together. It's actually pretty easy. I just wish I had a bigger vise, but you can do it on your own. All right, so these are the fittings that they're gonna give you for motion. This is one we're gonna put together. You see here, this is what it looks like when it's apart. You see it kind of self-explanatory. So the hose end goes into the little guy, and this one screws it. So essentially you're kind of like squishing. You're squishing it together to make a secure connection, but yeah, we'll show you. You can get all this on Amazon. You're gonna need one of these. It's much easier to get it. This I also got on Amazon. It's an A-in holder. It goes ahead and holds the piece in here. As you go ahead and put everything down, you're gonna need a little vise. Don't make fun of my vise, okay? That's all I got. If you don't want to scratch anything up, you're gonna need an adjustable A-in wrench. So I could put some of these links down for Amazon. That's where I got it. So you guys can get it on your own if you want to do something, but let's put it together. So there's step one. Put this half, slide the hose into it, make sure you bottom it out all the way. Bottom it out in there until it doesn't seat anymore. And then from here is when I'll make my pink mark here on the hose to make sure the hose didn't slide out as you're putting it together. So I'll do that right now. So there goes a little pink mark, so that way you know the hose didn't move out. Then you're gonna go ahead and set it in place. And then go from there. All right, so now that we got it here locked in the vise, get you a little bit of lube, oil, ATF, whatever it is you want to use. Put it on the inserts there. Put a little bit on the thread if you want to, just make it a little bit easier. And it's pretty self-explanatory. You can see this is going to start to go in here. And you're going to see the reason why I made the pink mark. Because as you make this wedge connection in here, there, I can already feel it's going to start to get tight. You don't want this hose to slide out. So you're going to kind of hold it here in place as you use your A-in wrench and kind of bring it back down. See how you can almost see that it kind of wanted to twist the hose. So here it's not really moving it at all. So here I'm actually going to put the camera down. I'm going to hold this with one hand. With the other hand, use my adjustable A-in wrench. Clamp it down until it's all the way snug down here until it meets it. You can make it all nice and pretty and make the flats align with the flats if you want to, if you're really OCD like that. but this is what you want. Also, when you set this in here, see how this hose is nice and straight? If the hose is a little crooked, kind of going off like that, it's not going to be like a real proper seal. So I'm going to get that going onto here. Everything's nice and straight, and then I'll show you what it looks like once you get it all together. You're not going to miss anything. I'm just going to use a wrench and another hand to put this on here and put it all together. Alright, and you can see they're done. The paint faded off a little bit, and it didn't really move. It may have went down like, what, 0.1 of a millimeter, but that's good. We're up here. Everything's nice and tight. That's pretty much where it stopped moving and didn't go anywhere. So I'll check it one more time just to make sure it's tight. But we have 2 completed AN hoses that are done. The orientation of them doesn't matter because you can see here that the end of them, they twist, so you'll be fine. Same thing on this side. They all twist. Uh-oh, that one's not twisting. There it goes, that one's twist. So we'll be fine. So I'll double check these, make sure they're tight, but then other than that, these 2 are good to go, locked and loaded, and ready to go on the car. Actually not bad. I just wish I had a bigger fixed vise. I know someone's gonna say something about, oh, you should fix it, but whatever. But yeah, these I got on MotionRaceWorks. If you didn't know, this is how the kit is gonna come. The plugs were already on the transmission. These big ones right here, those go on the actual cooler themselves. This I got on, you can actually see they're magnetic. If they don't fall off. Magnetic, and then right here, adjustable AN wrench that I also got on Amazon. So make sure you go look at that. I want to hurry this up so I can actually do some fun race car stuff and get this going, because I'm tired of sitting here looking like a how-to guy when I just want to get this stuff done. So yeah, look at these things. These are the nicest freaking parts that are gonna go in the Tahoe like ever, until we get something like a turbo or something like that. You never know. Look at that. Put these in here. Put these away for a later time. Oh, there it is. We got the front one done, and we got the rear one done. Boom. Boom. So those are all done. I don't got to get these mixed up. So I just got to mess with this bracket to make the cooler fit, and then that is it. So I'm trying to make this happen. I was busy with work. I've been a little bit all over the place, so I'm gonna get this up and going because I'm almost there. Yo, I need to go call them about my drive shaft. Like, they haven't called me back. I swear, they better not screw me over on that. But yeah, I'll see you guys on another video.